Welcome back to the Dyslexia On Demand YouTube channel, where we help parents make confident and informed decisions about dyslexia. If you have ever been told, oh yes, they're Orton-Gillingham trained, and still felt a little unsure, you're not imagining that feeling. Because that phrase can mean dramatically different things. It can mean a short introductory workshop, or it can mean years of clinically supervised training with hundreds of practicum hours. And those two experiences are not interchangeable. Your child deserves instruction from someone who truly understands dyslexia, not just someone who has heard a little bit about it. So today, I would like to walk through the questions every parent should ask when interviewing a dyslexia professional. These questions are not confrontational, they are productive. First question, did your dyslexia training include supervised practicum hours with real students? High-quality dyslexia training is not just theory. It includes working directly with students while being observed and coached by an expert. If there were no supervised practicum hours, that is important information. Second, about how many supervised hours did you complete? Strong programs require hundreds of hours, not a handful. 20 hours and 700 hours are not the same level of preparation. And yet, both individuals might describe themselves as OG certified. That's why specificity matters. Third, who supervised you and what were their credentials? Was the supervised a certified dyslexia specialist? Were they credentialed through a recognized organization? A legitimate training pathway includes oversight from highly qualified professionals, not informal mentorship. Fourth, did you have to demonstrate competency before being allowed to work independently? In other words, did someone actually observe your teaching, provide feedback, and require you to meet a standard before you were cleared to see students on your own? Reading about structured literacy is not the same thing as demonstrating mastery of it. Fifth, how long did your training take from start to finish? Comprehensive dyslexia training takes months to years. It includes coursework, supervised teaching, lesson planning, diagnostic analysis, and ongoing evaluation. If the answer is a few weekends, that's a very different level of preparation. Sixth, was your training specific to dyslexia, or was it just general reading instruction? Dyslexia is a language-based learning disability. It requires explicit, systematic, cumulative instruction grounded in the science of reading, delivered with diagnostic precision. General reading strategies are not enough. And finally, seventh, are you certified or credentialed through a recognized dyslexia organization, such as ALTA, the Academic Language Therapy Association, an IDA accreditation program, or MSLEC? Those credentials can signal more rigorous training standards, supervised practice, and demonstrated competency. Here's the truth many parents don't realize. Two professionals can both say that they're Orton-Gillingham trained or even Orton-Gillingham certified. One may have completed a shorter introductory course and the other may have completed 700 plus hours of supervised practicum, passed multiple competency exams, and earned certification. Those are not equal, and your child deserves the difference. Asking these questions does not make you difficult, it makes you informed. And informed parents make stronger decisions. When it comes to dyslexia, the quality of instruction matters deeply. With the right intervention, children can make meaningful, measurable progress. Without it, families lose precious time. So ask the questions, listen carefully to the answers, and trust your instincts. When you work with Dyslexia On Demand, you can trust that our expertise, individualization, and therapeutic programming set us apart. Please visit us at dyslexiaondemand.com for more information and informative videos to help explain how we can best help your child. Also, please like and follow to see all of our videos as they're released.